Hi, in this video, we will talk about what is Postman. So, what is Postman? So, Postman is a tool. Okay? Postman is a tool that allows us to, us means it might be a developer or tester, whatever it is. So, that allows us to test and manage APIs. So, API means application programming interface. Okay. So, the second point. So, Postman provides. Okay. Postman provides an intuitive UI. So it will provide an intuitive user interface so that allows us to. So here us means it might be a developer or tester. Okay? It allows us to send HTTP requests, okay, to APIs. You can send HTTP request to API and then you can view the response. So once you send a request, it will give you the response. You can view that response and test the API's functionality. So that is what the use of API. So Postman provides an intuitive UI that allows us to send HTTP requests to API and then view the response and test the API's functionality. So ultimately, we need to test the functionality of the API. So that is the main motto of using the Postman. Okay. And how you'll get the Postman? Okay. Postman is available as a desktop application, and along with the desktop application, and you have web-based platform. Okay. You have web-based platform and it supports wide range of HTTP requests. Okay. What are those? So which includes get comma, post comma, put, delete, and patch, etc. Okay. So with the help of Postman, you can perform these HTTP requests: get, post, put, delete, and patch, etc. And it is available in the form of desktop application and web-based platform. Okay. And then with Postman, we can easily, okay, with the Postman, we can easily create collections of API requests. And then we can organize them into folders, and we can share the same thing. Okay. We can share them with other team members. So not only creating the APIs, you can organize them into a folder, means you can make related APIs into one collection, and you can share the same thing to your team members. Okay. And Postman also provides features like, it also provides features like automated testing and real-time collaboration, making it popular choice. So because of that, Postman, what it will provide, it provides a features like you can perform automated testing, and you go real-time collaboration, making it popular choice. So you can, what is it like real-time collaboration means you can create a team, anyway you can share your information with other team members, you can get the information or APIs from other team members. So you can work in a collaborated environment. Okay. So these are all a few points about the Postman. And what is the official website of Postman? So official website of Postman is postman.com. Okay. So if you see here, so postman.com, okay, this is the official website. Once you go there, you can see so much of information. Like here also, there is another definition given by the Postman. So what is Postman? So Postman is an API platform for building and using APIs. Postman simplifies each step of the API lifecycle and streamlines collaboration so you can create better APIs faster. Yeah. And if you want to learn more about Postman, you can go to the official website. You can learn so many things here. Okay. If you want, you can go there and explore. So if you see, you can have a pricing also. So there are different type of flavors of this. So free, basic, professional, and enterprise. So to test, to learn Postman, this free version is enough for us. Okay. So all core tooling and collaboration for up to 3 users. So you'll get all the core features and up to 3 users you can collaborate. So to learn Postman, this is enough for us. Okay. So if you want to see the Postman tool, so let me open this. Yeah, if you see Postman, so this is the tool desktop application which we just discussed, right? There are two ways you can use the Postman. That is one desktop application and web-based platform. So this is like just desktop application. So with the help of this application, we can test our APIs. Okay, that we will see in our upcoming videos, how you can download and install this one and how you can access a web-based Postman. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.